Tell you one thing that's still kind of got me a little bit up in the air is that foot actuated park brake. Even though it's, claims it's supposed to be the best, right up there with that 825i, last year's Gator. I don't know. I don't know how the foot actuated park brake and the hand park brake all, if it's any better than that or not, the foot actuated brake. I don't want to go setting it all the time and then have it start braking all the time, just like that, oh, what was that? The 550, how that stupid thing kept braking all the time. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. She's got some weight on her now, boys. It's okay, we ain't going that far. And it'll handle it. This has got the same kind of tire as the 825. Yeah, I'm shooting myself in the foot right now because I should have got a lightweight before I started. But little workout never hurts. I didn't want to get it up past here because it would be all sliding out and everything. So that's enough topsoil. Oh, we go. Stupid park brake. That's the only thing I miss is the hand brake. That decelerator works in this thing. It works real good, even with a load, let me tell you. Thing's almost like an engine brake on a truck. Well, pretty much what it is, if you think about it. I guess since I got a full load on this thing, I want to do a test. I want to see the test a park brake. See how well see if it'll hold halfway or not. I'm trying to rock it and it ain't moving. And you can see there. You can see it. I'm rocking it and it ain't moving. So, and that ain't even set all the way. So, I wonder what happened. Let's see, park brake off. Nope, 3 clicks don't do it. Okay, so it's got to be pushed down almost to the floor for it to work, which that's all right by me. So far I'm liking it. This here's what we're going to be filling in. Let me find a suitable spot to set these up, and then we'll come up the hill. Go ahead and dump. Alrighty guys, this is part 2. I wanted to switch gators because well, I haven't really used mine for anything, so we'll go and start shoveling. It'll take quite a bit to fill this hole in, so that's why I got more than expected. So we'll go ahead and fill this in, then move on to another project. Yeah, Matt, I need more topsoil yet. Holy crap, 3 gator loads of topsoil. That big. Holy crap. Daggone. Now I hope it's the last load of topsoil, because crap, I'm pooped.